how you can take a picture like this and design a beautiful thumbnail like this. In this video, I'm going to show you how. Welcome back again, guys. In today's episode, I'm going to be teaching you how you can design a beautiful thumbnail for your videos. Now, some people don't understand what I mean by thumbnail. Thumbnail is the picture that is found on top of your video. I hope you get it now, right? The beautiful picture that captivates people when they see your video in front of the phone or in front of the screen. It is very important to design a thumbnail or to use a thumbnail if you're a content creator. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can design a beautiful thumbnail. Now, I want to give this disclaimer. Sorry. What I'm teaching here, I did not go to any professional school. I did not learn it anywhere. I just watch YouTube videos and learn. And after I've gained the knowledge, I want to transfer it to you guys for free. So what you can do for me is just to like, comment, and share. Is that not wonderful? Okay, guys, let's get straight into the video. First of all, this is the picture that we want to design. This one here, right? This picture, we want to make a thumbnails out of this picture. Now, what you can do is when you're editing, especially for those using Premiere Pro, you can capture a picture from your video. In the software, there's something like that. When I'm making a video about Premiere Pro, next I'm going to show you how you can capture that. So now this is a picture that we want to design from this one and move to this, and move to this one. You see it, right? From the previous one to this one using Photoshop. Now what you do is you just go and click on Photoshop. Like I said in our previous video, if you don't have Photoshop in your computer, please make sure you download and install it. Okay, to get it, you can just go on Adobe website and download it, and you pay. That is it, for free. And there are some people that can also get it for free. So guys, let's get into the video proper. Okay, you open your Photoshop like the one you see here, guys. Make sure you create a new template. A template, like I told you, you only have to use 1280, like the one 1280 multiply 720. Okay, you click on that one. Now we have our template. All you need to do now is just to come and take this picture and put it here, like the one you see here, right? Good. That is our picture in our Photoshop. Now the picture is here, guys. All you need to do is zoom it a little bit out, okay, for clear visibility. You try to zoom it, and now you have your picture ready. All you can do now is, first of all, you need to separate the object from the background. Watch carefully, okay, how I'm doing it. You need to first of all separate the object from the background. Now you come on your right, you're going to see background. Unlock this background. You see this lock here, right? You unlock it. You see now that the lock has disappeared, means you have unlocked that background. Now you go above, you're going to see your picture layer, this picture layer. The first one, this one here, is the background layer, and the second, the one up, is the picture layer. Now you have to click on the picture layer. Like now I'm on the picture layer, right? Good. Now you have to separate this picture from this my background. All you need to do is you go to your left, right? Left, you count 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to see this icon. Now this icon is the icon that can separate the object from the background automatically, but you can still do it manually. Let's first of all go with the automatic one. Now you click there and you come on your picture. You just highlight on the area that you want to capture, like this, and Photoshop is going to do the magic. Now you see that we have highlighted the object. All you need to do is you press Command and J. For MacBook users, now I'm using MacBook, so I need to press but Command and J. But if you're using Windows, you press Ctrl and J. Okay, so let's press Command and J here. Now you see that our object has been separated from the background. Let me show you. Now if you click here like this, boom, you see that our object has been separated from the background. Now we open it back. Now what you do is you need to first of all blur the background, the first layer. You can see that on our right we have 1, 2, 3 layers now. Before we had 2 layers. Okay, now we have 3 layers because we have duplicated this background, this object, which is my picture. You see here, right? Now what we do is we are going to blur this background to separate it from my main picture, right? So let's see how you do it. Now you click on the background, you come up when you see filter. You see here, right? You click once on filter and you come to blur. When you see blur, you sweep to your right and you're going to see Gaussian blur. Okay, you're going to see Gaussian blur. You click on Gaussian blur, you see that they are going to show you now that our background has been blurred. I mean the previous picture, right? The previous picture that we separated from this one has been blurred already. Now you can use this one to reduce the level of the blurriness. You see, you can reduce it like this or you can increase it. Now let's just put it at 10 and take OK. Now we have to shift our object now to put our text, right? You click where the object layer is and you come up here like this. You shift the object here like this. You see, we are gradually getting that picture. Okay, we are gradually getting it. Now we have our picture here. Now you try to increase the size of the picture to hide the area that did not really come out clear. I'm just doing this one rough. Okay, you can take your time and do it proper because we also have to keep the video short. Now our picture is ready now for text. You see that we have our picture. For me, I like my contrast to be very low. Some people like bright picture. You can come here and go on images, you go on brightness, and you increase the brightness of the picture. But for me, I don't really like when my picture is very bright or when my scene is very bright. Some people like bright scene. Okay, I like cinematic scene. Okay guys, that is it. If you like your picture to be bright like this one here, you just come to brightness and increase the brightness and maybe decrease the contrast and the rest. Poop, you take OK. Now it is time to insert the text layer. Now we can see from our previous picture what our sample where we are. Excuse me, let me show you. Now this is a sample. If you can see from here, you see that we have a background that cuts, that separates the text, because if we take this text and put in the background, it's going to see it clearly. So we have to create this blue background here. You see it, right? So let's go and create that one. Now to create that one is very easy, guys. You come where your picture is, you come on your left, you're going to count 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 and 19. The 19 icon, guys, I'm doing it like this to make it very simple for people to understand. I could as well say that come to these rectangular tools, but I decide to count it to make it easier for you. You come to this 19 and right click. Okay, you right click and select the shape that you want. For me, I'm going for triangle tools. You see that I have selected triangle tools and I'm going to design what you see there. See, I'm going to take it like this and take it poop. Now we have the color black. You can change this color, right? So let's just go and change the color to be blue, like the one we have in our previous. You see it there, right? Now all you can do is try to resize it to fit into the shape you want. Okay, this is just a technique for me to do, and I'm going to press control, command, and I'll pull it down like this. And I can as well pull this one up like this to make it a little bit Good. Now it is here. You see that we are gradually getting the image, right? We are gradually getting what we want to do. Now we have our background, this blue background set. We can also put text here, right? Now what you see, you can write any text. Like here, you just come to text here like this and click on text. You write whatever you want to write. How to, let me change it in cap. Okay, how to, that is how to. We already have how to. You try to make it big for it to really stand out. You see, I have written how to write, put it here like this. And now you can as well change the font of the image. You can change it to make it a little bit big, okay, like this one, how to. And now it is in red. You can change the color here, put it in white. How to make YouTube video. Now you want to put make, guys, you need to come to this one. You duplicate layer, right? You see here, right? You press option for Mac users. For Apple users, you press option and you duplicate the layer. You see that we have 2 layers there. Now you can as well take the next layer and bring it down like this, and you change it to how to make YouTube video. You see that I'm going to type make, and I'm trying to resize it to make it bigger. You see how to make YouTube video, guys. Gradually we are getting it. Okay, now you still come to how to and duplicate the layer again. You see, you duplicate the layer again. Now we are going to create YouTube, guys. How to create YouTube videos. Now we need to change this and put YouTube. You see that we are gradually making the video the thumbnail outstanding and beautiful. You see now, right? Now this is YouTube. We all know that YouTube, to make it look like it is YouTube, we can as well put a background layer on this YouTube text. Now all you need to do, it comes to where we on the 19 icon, that is we used to create this blue background, right? You still come there and click and right click and take rectangle. You click on rectangle. Now you're going to create something like this pop, and change the color to red. Change the color to red and pop you're good to go. Now you come and put it below YouTube. You see that we have that YouTube look now, right? Very easy, guys. And you can add any text that you want, and you keep going and keep going, guys. Very, very easy. And some people like to put lines. You can, if you want to put a line here, for example, I'll just come here and put a beautiful line. I'll stroke this image. Yeah, I'll stroke this image to make it a little bit outstanding. I can use blue, the background that we have here, and I increase the lines. You see that we have line here for those who want to put line. If you want to put line, you can put this one here, and boom, you're done, guys. When you're done, now you need to export this picture. Okay, you need to export, meaning you have to make it ready to use. You come here where you see file up here like this, right? You click on file and you go down to export. When you go down to export, you are going to see quick export as PNG. No, don't take that one. Make sure you take export as. When you click on export as, it is going to show you this option. Please make sure your picture size is 780 by 720. Sorry, 1280 by 720. That is the best thumbnail for 1920 multiply 1080 for YouTube videos. And if you want to create the the square, it is as well good to create that one, but your video needs to be square for you to produce a thumbnail square. But if your video is rectangle like this, like 1920 multiply 1080, this is the best option for you to choose. 1280 multiply 720, and you click export, and they are going to ask the location you want to export the picture to. You just select desktop and you say you rename it. Let's just put try, okay, and you take save, and we are done, guys. Now you come on our desktop, we are going to see that we have our picture here. You see, that is the picture that we just designed, the thumbnail. Very easy using Photoshop. Guys, if you have any problem doing this, please drop it in the comment section below. Like I said, what I'm doing, I also learned it from YouTube. It is not the perfect way. You can as well correct me if I'm wrong somewhere. That is that for today, guys. If you like the video, please, you can buy us stars now. Please buy us stars. We need to drink coffee now while walking like this. Okay, guys, thank you. I trust on you guys. I know you're going to do it. Hope to see you again in our next video. Please, next video I'm going to teach you how to download video on Facebook. Some people have been requesting for this video. Stay glued to the page and I'm going to show you how to do that. Peace out.